Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. We need to talk about this. NIO stock price has fallen from $5.10 to $4.70 yesterday. More pullbacks can come. Where did everyone go? Understanding NIO's slide. NIO stock has quietly slipped from $5.10 down to $4.70 over the past several sessions, shedding nearly 8% with little fanfare. The move hasn't been driven by breaking headlines or major macro shocks. Instead, what we're witnessing is a classic case of volume evaporation, trader fatigue, and pre-event uncertainty. The dip. Why NIO fall from 510 to 470? This recent decline has been a crash. It hasn't been a crash. It's been a slow, controlled drip. Several factors will explain it. Low volume, no support. With many traders on the sidelines, any mild selling pressure pushes the stock lower. There's no influx of buyers to absorb the float. And algorithmic trading gradually shaves the price down. This is why, guys, I keep buying, because I understand what I have and I understand what's coming. A quiet period between catalysts. NIO isn't lacking for long-term vision, but in the short term, the company is in a natural pause between major events. Very profound words. It's in a natural pause between major events. After the last earnings report and with the L90 launch still ahead, there simply hasn't been much fresh news to drive daily trading excitement, because most retail investors go by excitement, not by fundamentals, not by future projections. These are what you call the illiterate retail investors. For long-term investors, this is just part of the cycle. The groundwork is being laid, but the market trend tends to drift when it doesn't have immediate headlines to react to. Broader EV sentiment remains cautious. Chinese EV makers still face tariff uncertainty and geopolitical noise, creating a persistent overhang even in the absence of specific headlines. Traders have left the building. This move down isn't about fear. It's about indifference. Retail traders previously burned by false starts are staying away. Institutions are waiting for a stronger signal or confirmation of trend reversal. The stock has essentially been let to float. But the tide may soon turn. Yes, there's a silver lining. This is why I keep buying. The next big catalyst, the L90 and Firefly, the launch. All eyes on Onvo L90, NIO's new mass market SUV aimed at young families. Deliveries are expected to begin on August 1st. It targets a price point and functionality that could challenge Li Auto L6 and BYD Song Plus EV. Strong early demand could change the entire market narrative. I'll go a bit further to also say it's going to challenge the Model Y at such a low price point. Firefly 10K September. By September, NIO's Firefly factory is expected to hit 10,000 units a month production capacity. Firefly is NIO low-cost EV sub-brand aimed at Europe, which we just started delivering into, and broader global markets. Scaling this project is critical. It's what turns NIO from a premium niche player into a true volume brand, with the F3 factory almost on completion. Accumulation or just a lull? This low volume pullback could be a shakeout where strong hands quietly accumulate shares, or a stall where investor interest remains paralyzed. So far, underlying flows suggest quiet accumulation. Yes, the whales are buying in heavily at the 470-480 level, not capitulation. Final thoughts. Waiting for the spark, NIO at 470 may not mark the absolute bottom, but it's increasingly seen as a setup level for patient bulls. August L90 deliveries and September's Firefly output could become the spark that reignites institutional and retail interest. Until then, the market is watching and waiting for the L90 and Firefly numbers. What are you doing? Are you waiting and watching, or are you accumulating as much as you can at these prices, understanding what's coming? I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Takes a lot of time to do these videos and editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.